So hey, let me introduce you to the tiny Whisk Multicolor egg beater. These are premium silicone whisks that are heat-resistant and totally non-stick. Seriously, it's one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. Its size makes it, super versatile for all kinds of jobs. This is honestly the best whisk for making sauces right on the stove or even in the oven. And you don't have to worry about damaging your expensive non-stick pans. And it's not just for eggs. It's awesome as a vinaigrette whisk too. The silicone-coated metal wires are just the right length, giving you a really firm whisk every time. His utensil makes cooking easy and, honestly, super enjoyable. It's made from stainless steel and a silicone-coated wire. The whole thing is about 25 centimeters, with the handle coming in at 10 centimeters. So if you're interested, you can check it out at https://amzn.to/3etrknj. Oh, and here's the image link. https://c.media-amazon.com/images/i/51drzrxdhkl JPG.